Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings by the boat. And look at this. This is brand new footage. We received it May 2nd, 2020. But not sure if it was filmed on May 2nd, 2020. Looks like there's a lot of activity going on. Looks like a bunch of boats in this harbor over here. Ken sent in this footage to us. We want to say thank you very much to Ken. And we're just waiting back for more information, but apparently he works on these ferries over here, on these boats, and he spotted this while the boat was docked. It was not going out, but it looks like there are a bunch of boats out there that are still moving around, going around. And he said that there was this blue glow that caught the side of his eye, and then he looked up because he's used to seeing all the lights on the buildings normally. He said, look at this UFO. It looks like the center over there, it does look like it is emanating a little bit of heat. This is some great footage, some clear UFO footage. And he said it just took off at high speeds. This is the first time he's seeing anything like it. Here it is. Here's a still shot. Looks like this UFO has multiple blue glowing rings around it, and the center seems to be made out of some kind of black metal or something like that. Looks like there's multiple lights on it too. There's some interesting footage, to say the least. Ken claims that this is the only time that he has seen this object, but he says he's definitely going to keep his eye open. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We want to pass it off on to you. What do you think is going on over here? Do you have any further insight or any further information? Please leave it down in the comments below. This is some incredible footage. What do you think this object is? It definitely looks like a UFO, right? An unidentified flying object. Remember, if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. We'll have a link to our newsletter. It's free to sign up. We'll also have a link to our UFO playlist so that you can catch up on all the UFO sightings. This is Max with iUFO Sightings. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. Remember, if you like seeing these UFO videos, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, test craft. This is all according to the source. Look at that. This thing just went right behind the clouds over there. This footage comes to us from Puerto Rico, December 24th, 2018. The source does not want his name revealed, but he claims that this is some kind of test craft. Look at this thing over here. Almost looks like a satellite, but definitely a UFO, right? Unidentified flying object. Look at this. It just goes right behind the clouds over here. Excellent footage. Definitely want to say thank you to the source. And apparently this is a test aircraft that's been tested a couple of times, and he has seen this object multiple times. We're not sure exactly what his relationship is to this project, if in fact it is a project, if it's alien reverse technology. We just know that it comes to us from Puerto Rico. It's brand new footage. We just received it December 24th, 2018. Here's a close-up of it. Look at this UFO. Looks like it possibly could have some kind of force field on it. Excellent, ladies and gentlemen. Those also look like they could be possible antennas on it too. Just goes behind the clouds over here. And there it is. It comes out. Let us know what your thoughts are on this UFO. Is this in fact reverse alien technology? Is it some kind of satellite? Look at that. Looks like there possibly could, it looks like it could be some engines down at the bottom. Here's an extreme close-up. Look at the outside. It looks like it's almost camouflaging itself with some kind of moss or some shrubs or greenery. If you look at the outside, that's what the source was telling us. But it's pretty evident here that it definitely looks like it's trying to camouflage itself. Definitely UFO sightings over here. Let us know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any other UFO sightings. Look at this, just truly some amazing UFO footage. Some of the better footage we've received on this channel over here. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave your thoughts down in the comments below, and we will talk to you soon. Have a good day and take care. My other ride, how cool is that? iUFO Sightings official logo, a must-have. Do you really want to know? That's the answer to all of our questions, right? Area 51, are you going, or have you already been there? That's just a sample of some of the t-shirts that we have on our Teespring store. The link will be in the description. You'll be supporting the channel, and you'll be getting some cool gear while you're at it. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO Sightings, alien ship. Look at this object over here. We've definitely seen this one before. The energy on it seems to be different though. In the center, you can see it moving away from the camera, and apparently this is a drone. The source was on vacation, and he took up his drone and wanted to get some footage of this beautiful scenery. This is in Hawaii, and apparently this was filmed April 28, 2019. He's still on vacation, but when he saw this UFO footage, he sent it in to us, to iUFO Sightings. He's a longtime fan and subscriber of iUFO Sightings. Just incredible footage over here. You can see the mountains. It looks like it might be around some beach area over here, the ocean. Just incredible footage over here, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, the source is on vacation and took up his drone and happened to spot this UFO flying by, and this thing's moving really fast according to what he was saying, and he didn't even want to get close to it with his drone because apparently his drone's like $3,000, and was kind of worried as to what was going on. Look at that. He had one of those visors on that you put on your face so you can actually see what the drone captures, and he said he was actually just in kind of in awe when he did see this footage. He was like, what is what is this thing over here? And as we mentioned, as you can see, it's moving really fast. I want to say thank you once again to the source for sending in this footage. He does want to remain anonymous, so we will definitely respect that, but this is brand new footage, April 20, 2019, according to the source, from Hawaii, and this is some excellent footage to say the least. Definitely, look at that, here it is. You can see it zoomed in over here, and look at that energy. Maybe that's how this thing's staying afloat. No idea. And then because of the drone blades are spinning, there's no sound that you can actually hear on this particular footage. I guess it just cuts out the sound, otherwise all you'd hear would be the drone blades. But nonetheless, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. We have a link to our newsletter. We also have a link to our official iUFO Sightings merchandise. That being said, have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. Drone Chases UFO. Take a look at this footage. This footage comes to us from Las Vegas. Although we did just receive this footage May 2nd, 2020. We're not 100% sure when it was filmed. Look at this incredible footage over here. This object looks like it was flying away, and then it from this building. And the source claims that the drone, they tried to follow it for as long as they could, and then all of a sudden the drone just blacked out. They lost control of it, meaning that they couldn't keep following it. It was like this distance, this weird distance, he said. They couldn't get up closer to it. And then apparently the UFO just moved away at a high rate of speed. That footage was not sent in to us. But here it is, slowed down and zoomed in a little bit. Look at this object. I mean, this drone is flying. It looks like it's just so still. There's no camera shake whatsoever, but you can see the city is alive. All the lights in the cars moving, and look at this UFO. It looks like there's multiple glowing lines over it. Some kind of orange lines or something like that. Just incredible footage over here. As we said earlier, this footage was sent to us May 2nd, 2020, and it does come to us from Las Vegas. Apparently the source was getting some stock footage and spotted this object over here and started chasing it. with a drone, and here's the result of that footage. Absolutely incredible over here, ladies and gentlemen. I want to definitely pass it off on to you. What do you think's going on over here? If you have any further insight or any further information, or you just want to share your thoughts, please leave it down in the comments below. It would be greatly appreciated. This is some great footage over here. Look at that, and this is where the drone, he starts to chase it with the drone. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. We'll have a link to our UFO playlist and our UFO newsletter. If you want to sign up for that. This is Max with iUFO Sightings. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by. If you like what you saw, you might want to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Go ahead and click on the image on the center over there and you'll be subscribed to iUFO Sightings. And if you liked what you saw and you're ready for more UFO videos, go ahead and click on the image on the left and you can start watching our UFO playlist right now. Have a good one.